Ever wonder what is the current #1 Shopify store? Well, in this video, we're going to be finding out. What's going on, guys? Yash here. Welcome back to the channel. I hope each and every single one of you guys is absolutely having a great week and a great day. Thank you guys so much for tuning back into the channel. Before we do move forward into the video, please do make sure to drop a huge like on this video. Smash that like button down below and make sure you're also subscribed to the channel with your post notification bells turned on. So about yesterday, I was thinking to myself, right, what is the current #1 Shopify store by revenue and by traffic, right? Just by overall performance. So in this video, we're going to be taking a deeper dive into what the #1 Shopify store is and what makes it the #1 Shopify store as well, right? So we're going to be doing a mini audit and kind of going through the website and other different things as to kind of why this store is at its current stance right now. Now, before we do move forward, please do make sure you join my free Facebook group, Ecom Masterminds. I'll be leaving a link to that down in the description below with all my other social media accounts as well. And with that being said, let's jump straight into the video. So guys, right now I am on a website called MyIPDMS. Now a lot of you guys may or may not know the site, but it is basically a hosting information directory. Okay, now I'm specifically on the directory of all the Shopify stores. Matter of fact, you can also search up your individual store or stores on here as well, as long as you basically put in here that the hosting parent platform is Shopify Incorporation. So, it has more than 10 million websites, which is actually insane on this entire directory. So as you can see, we have the entire list right here, and you'll see a lot of famous similar brands such as Fashion Nova, Gymshark, ColourPop, Jeffree Star Cosmetics. A lot of these brands are absolutely killing it. Even Jimmy Jazz, which is a place where I actually used to shop in high school. But anyway, if we scroll up right here, this is something that I have never heard of, meaning this actual website. It's called alruguebfurniture.com. Okay, so let's actually click on this website. And you can actually see that this is the #1 website right now on Shopify, and the world site population ranking is about 2,613, which in my opinion is absolutely insane, okay? And in terms of the website popularity, they're getting about 163,000 unique visitors every single day, which I think is absolutely insane, okay? So basically, I dove deeper into this website, and it's called, again, alruguebfurniture.com. Now, to me, correct me if I'm wrong, it looks like to me that this is a website in Arabic, okay? Well, at least kind of the predominant language on this website. And what it seems like is that they're selling mid to high ticket furniture for offices, for home improvement. You can see that they're selling recliners, office equipment again, consoles and desks, stuff for the living room, bedroom, dining room, lighting, a whole bunch of accessories. It's almost like a IKEA or a Sears or a Raymond and Flanigan, at least here in the US. That's kind of what this website reminds me of personally. I see that they have like a nice little chat icon right here, and I don't even think that I can convert the currency in USD. So I think most of the customers for this particular website or this particular store is from the Middle East, okay? That's what it is looking like for me. And I can see that they also have an app, or they just are displaying their mobile site right here, which I think is very interesting. Okay, so they actually do have an app. So I was right, okay? So again, they're just selling a bunch of different things, a wide plethora of different things. Like most of these are very, very, very high ticket items. I mean, they have like a whole bunch of different categories right here as well. Rooms, lighting, accessories, rugs, luxurious items, products on auction. You can even plan your room, different catalogs and stuff like that. So what I actually did was I actually went to the Facebook page, and on Facebook, they actually don't have a lot of engagement, and you'll see why. On the actual Facebook business page itself, they only have about 300 likes, And you can see that, yes, it is in the Middle East. They are located in Saudi Arabia, and it looks like they also have a physical location and not only an e-commerce store. Okay, so they do have a storefront or like a brick and mortar location, basically like IKEA or Sears. They also have themselves an e-commerce website too. So they're pretty engaged, they're pretty active. I mean, on their Facebook page, I can see that they're posting pretty much almost every day or every week. So again, on Facebook they don't have much engagement, but on Instagram we can see that they have almost 700,000 followers, guys. Again, most of this is in Arabic, if I am right. Correct me if I am wrong, for those of you that actually know what this language is. Pardon if I couldn't really make it out. But again, like I said, they're just basically selling really high ticket furniture. I'm curious as to what kind of engagement they're getting. So yeah, I mean, they're getting a bunch of engagement on their posts as well. Nothing really crazy, but really, really, really interesting how this website is actually killing it. I mean, their Instagram following is absolutely stellar to me. So, like I said, their Facebook page doesn't have a lot of engagement, and I can almost tell why. So, if we go to the Facebook ads library right here, which is basically a platform where you can basically search any business's active ads. Okay, so we'll just basically let this bad boy load right here. Okay, so after loading, you can see that they actually started running some ads on April 14th, which is my birthday. FYI, mark your calendars down. No, I'm just joking, guys. But anyway, March and February, they have only one ad running. They're not doing anything crazy, and it looks like they're just running ads to like the Middle Eastern countries. They don't have anything crazy going on. I can see that they have a really short 5-second video ad going right here. So they're not really killing it with their ad game at all. So we'll see, why are they doing so much revenue, right? What is making them, really do like these numbers, that it is literally ranked number one as a Shopify website. Okay, so you can see there's really nothing much going on right here. I mean, this is like a picture ad, or it is actually a carousel ad, which is probably absolutely useful for like accessories and furniture and apparel and stuff like that. Products that are a little bit more self-explanatory. So I can see why they're running carousel ads. But like I said, earlier, there's nothing really special going on right here. So if we actually go to Commerce Inspector, and this is actually a plugin, anyone can actually download this. What really caught my eye is that they're saying they're getting 200 visits a month, but on MyIPDMS, it says that they're getting 163,000 visitors per day. So I'm actually believing this compared to what it says on Commerce Inspector. I don't know why it says that, but I think this is more true than 200,000 visitors a month, because that is, again, not as impressive for ranking it as a #1 Shopify website. But they did launch about 5 years ago, or a little over 5 years ago, in February of 2015. Their newest product was added very recently, May 18th. Today is May 20th, so just 2 days ago. And again, you can see, guys, that most of their traffic, if you look at their traffic sources, is actually coming from direct search, and also just from directly like their actual website URL or their link as well. So very little is coming from social and referrals and mail and paid referrals. Most of it is just direct Google search or any web browser search, or just sort of direct link clicks in general. You can see that they have a Snapchat, an Instagram, and Facebook, which we just visited, and they do have a Twitter as well. Just for time's sake, I'm not going to go into those, but you can see that their best-selling product is actually a frosting occasional table set, which is really, really high ticket. It's about $1,000. So let's take a look at the actual product page as to why this is converting so well and what makes it so special. So I think it's just any ordinary table set. I mean, it's pretty cool. Don't get me wrong. It has like different designs and stuff like that. I think it's pretty unique. I'll definitely buy something like this for my apartment. But again, this is like the highest selling item right here. Product page, I'm not really too much of a big fan of, to be honest. They have related items. And you can actually pre-order it or buy it now. And it says that this special order takes from 2 to 4 months. Special orders must be paid for in advance. So I'm actually curious as to really what that means. I think you can actually pre-order it and then it will probably process, or you can buy it now. I don't really know what that means, to be honest. Again, just for time's sake, I'm not going to go through the whole funnel and stuff like that. But again, I'm not really too big of a fan of the product page. I do want to see kind of what this actually looks like on mobile, how optimized it is for mobile as well. It looks like this website is, I mean, it's pretty okay. I mean, I can't really complain or bash the website. I mean, they're doing amazing numbers. They're probably doing 8 figures in revenue annually if I had to personally guess. So anyway, we're back to the actual website, and again, this product is really selling. I mean, it's one of their best selling items, right? And you can even see that a lot of other items are really high ticket items that are their best selling products. This occasional table set, which is 1,062, some wall art that's 345 bucks. Again, another canvas wall decor with frame, almost 600 bucks, which is absolutely insane. This is a Shopify theme they're actually using. If we see right here, they're actually using a theme called the warehouse theme, and it is a professional paid theme, which is something I recommend all of you guys using on your e-commerce store. And it says, you know, this theme is specifically for displaying a large catalog of products, right? Which, again, it's very obvious they do have a very large catalog of products. They probably have hundreds or if not even thousands of products, and they have 2 styles included, wood and metal. So that's pretty interesting. Again, I've personally never seen this theme before, or I've never utilized it as well. So again, they are using a Shopify theme. It's nothing really custom. I'm curious to see as to what apps they're using. Automatic discount, okay, best currency converter, as you can see on their website. Down below, they are using a currency converter, but it is obviously not converting in USD or any other known currency, just because it's so specific as to where their potential customers are. Countdown timer. Again, these are just the apps that I recommend. Live chat, which we saw on the bottom right here. MailChimp. Product auction, which again, I don't know really what that is. Reviews. Another live chat app. They're using a translate app as well, and WhatsApp share as well, which basically allows customers to kind of share their products and collections and stuff like that. I think even check out using WhatsApp as well. So again, very interesting that actually this website is actually killing it right now. I mean, it's absolutely mind-blowing to me. Guys, I just wanted to make this quick little video just so you guys can see, you know, which website is ranked #1 on Shopify right now and why they're doing so well. So again, I mean, first and foremost, they have a very niche specific market. And, you know, they're selling very high ticket items as well, right? So that instantaneously gives them a boost compared to like more than 50% of stores selling products anywhere from like 20 bucks to probably like 200 or 300 bucks, right? That's what most Shopify shops basically consist of, right? Products in those kind of range. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was very quick and it was very short, but I was just curious and I wanted to, you know, inform you guys as to kind of, you know, what's going on with this store. Maybe you guys are curious, maybe you guys weren't. So anyway, I really hope you did enjoy this video. Let me know what else you guys want to see for the coming summer and the coming year. Feel free to comment below any ideas that you have. That will absolutely help me and I will really appreciate it. If you guys have any comments, questions, thoughts, concerns, please do drop them below. And with that being said, guys, I will see you guys soon. Peace.